Rajaji was the first Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and he started talking about Hindi. That time, Rajaji, being the leader of the Justice Party, he has organized first anti-imposition of Hindi conference in Kanjipuram.
Who organized?
Periyar.
Periyar was the first person to oppose this.
Yes.
ಪೆರಿಯಾರೇ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದಿ ಏರಿಕೆನ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂದಿ ಭಾಷೆನಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದಿ ಏರಿಕೆನ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 1937
ಎಸ್
ಕಾಂಜಿಪುರಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ರಾಜಾಜಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ?
Rajaji, his name is Rajagopalacharya.
Okay. He belongs to Aryan clan and he is a Brahmin.
But he is not a bad man, but their ideology is like that. And they are inclined to that kind of thing.